Hello, and welcome back to Jam Desserts. Today is a special Father's Day edition to Jam Desserts. As you can see, no apron today. We have our sports shirt on, showing our appreciation for dads. Today, I will actually be making this strawberry pie for my dad. So, this is a really easy, delicious recipe. I have already cut up our strawberries. This pie doesn't require any baking, just requires some mixing together and some time in the fridge. Let's get started. That looks like a great amount of strawberries to me. I used about a quart of strawberries, give or take, depending on your pie crust size. I honestly just used a pie crust, graham cracker crust that I bought at the store. You can also buy a refrigerated one. You can make one from scratch. But I love the way that the graham cracker crust tastes with the strawberry pie. We've already got the rest of our concoction on the stove back here. It is water, cornstarch, and sugar. It's getting ready to boil. It should become kind of like a clear, thick solution as we kind of mix. And then we are going to dump in some strawberry jello. After that, we're gonna dump it all on top, and we're gonna stick it in the fridge, and then it has to chill, kind of configure for an hour or two, and you'll have your pie. Super easy. I love this recipe. Hang with me, and here we go. So here we are. We can see that it is boiling. So you're gonna set down the temperature a bit and stir continuously until it kind of thickens. It's also going to have a clearer look to it instead of the white from the cornstarch. As we're stirring, I'll go ahead and share a couple of Father's Day facts with you. Although Father's Day was celebrated before 1972, it was President Richard Nixon who officially put Father's Day into law in 1972. Father's Day is the fourth largest card-giving holiday, with almost 72 million cards sent out. I think that is a ton of cards. We'll just stir for another minute or so, and then we are going to pour in the jello mix. You're supposed to let it cool down for somewhere between 5 to 10 minutes. So we've taken it off of the burner officially, turned off the heat, and now we are going to pour in the strawberry jello powder. You just want to kind of incorporate this, make it look like it's not gritty anymore. Looks like it's pretty well dissolved. So we're gonna let it sit for a few minutes, 5 to 10 like we said. This pie is gonna be delicious. I really, 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 really hope my dad likes it. So we have let it set for about 10 minutes like we said. And now we are going to dump this liquid into the pot. It's gonna fill in all the crevices that the little strawberries create. Once your pie looks full, you can go ahead and pop this puppy into the fridge. You're gonna let it sit for about an hour, 2 hours. It's gonna look thicker and more jello-like when it's finally ready. So you can check on it, but I usually don't cover mine up. So we're just gonna pop this dude into the fridge. So since there is no oven work today, our joke will be coming up next. Here is our finished product. We have our delicious strawberry pie. I'm super excited to give this to my dad. Looks like this was another successful day in the Jam kitchen. Thank you guys for making this with me, and I hope that you have fun making it at home. See you next time. Bye.